Okay, so
We upgraded.
my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 na kami.
Creator combo.
Sponsored by
My grandma.
sponsored sa lola ni Kim.
I can't open it though because the seal is
Okay, teka lang. Tanggalin lang namin yung seal. Saglit lang. Hey! Dun, 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 dun. So, it comes with a bag.
It's a bag. It's like this.
Okay, so may mga manuals and ano pa ba to? Stickers. And then may kasala siyang this one. Quick start guide.
This is what is this? Oh, cover. Protective cover.
Oh, protective cover.
Ooh.
And then what else?
In here right now. And this is the actual thing.
Very cool.
It's so small. No? Oh, everything. Oh, look. Everything fits in here. And it's just this big. Like palm size. And then it comes with a mic.
How many mics? Two?
I think just one.
One mic?
Yeah. And then, oh, actually, what is this? Is this a mic? Oh, this is not a mic. This is the battery pack, I think. It comes with this mic. And then a stand. Yeah, this is a stand. And oh, this is for the
thing for the mic.
For the mic, yeah. And then a charger and lens. Wide lens, I think.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Cool. Look at this mic.
Yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
So it looks like this. Sorry, medyo ano siya.
Oh, it's starting.
Okay.
Damn.
Medyo ano pa lang siya.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, medyo blurry.
Oh, I see.
What is it?
You have to scan the QR code.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we're just showing you guys right now ang pag-unbox. Pero we'll set up the entire thing.
Cool. That's how you turn it off pala.
What?
So this is how you turn it on, and then this is how you turn it off. And then it just sleeps. And then
Very cool.
I guess this one is, what does it say? Like this? Is that like that?
Maybe other way around.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Does it fit? No, right?
Oh, I don't know. Is it not? I think it's fit. Actually, I don't know. Does it go like this?
No, should be
Like this.
yeah, maybe like that.
Oh, we don't know.
We'll figure it out.
Oh, maybe like this. We don't know. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. So that's very nice. So ito siya. Osmo Pocket 3. So, thank you sa sponsor. Thank you, Mama Chat. Oh. So, no. Tinitingnan ko, ito yung mga ano nila, safety guidelines nila. May mga ganito sila. And then, ito yung ginagamit. Add activated devices. May mga ganito sila for DJI form. Ito, quick start guide din.
I think ito na yun. Like that.
Yeah, looks like ganyan nga.
Tapos, if lalagay natin, I guess it should all fit in this. I don't know. Oh, I see. So it has compartments for everything.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So nakaganyan nga. And then, if we had the mic, which is right here, this one goes at the top. Right? If it's gonna click. Is that right? Siguro.
Yeah.
Like this. Oh, medyo mabigat siya ng slight. I mean, like heavier than a phone.
Yeah, but very compact. Very compact and very small.
Yeah, and it
Very
has
little.
a compartment for everything here. And it shows you exactly where everything should go. So, this one goes in here.
May mga small pockets yung ano, yung pouch. Actually, may mga ano sila, may ganito siya, yung itsura niya.
Super cool.
Sorry. So, I think dito yung main lalagyan for the ano talaga, yung device. And then, ito, battery ba to?
No, this is the stand.
Oh, yung
Ito
stand.
yung extra battery.
And then, may other space pa dito for chargers, I think. It's really nice.
So, still have to play around with it tomorrow.
But we'll show you guys. This is just the unboxing. And then, mamaya, or siguro bukas,
Yeah, super exciting.
isa-start namin yung ano. And then, we'll try to take videos using this one.
Break time at my pa pizza. Si Ate Michelle.
Ano to?
And samosa din.
And samosa. Pero walang barbecue.
Pero walang barbecue. Ang barbecue.
Samosa from? Saan samosa?
Rockport.
Doon daw. Ito, doner. Pizza. Hawaiian. Isa pang worker.
Kung ngayon naging worker.
Pay doctor yan eh. Si Ate Medel magaling mag-barbecue. Hello.
Yung ano, interviewin ka daw. Yung barbecue mo daw.
Sarap ng barbecue ni Ate Medel.
Dapat titripan ka ng dapat lilihan ni Kim yun. Barbecue mo. Halika, kumalang uwi. Kumalang uwi. Alam pa naman trabaho. May trabaho na ba kayo?
Monday. Ay. Hindi tayo stop. Samosa. Ito.
May pa-free samosa pa si Mayora. At saka pizza din ng isang Mayora.
Kayo na box goods.
So we just finished working sa Macau and now we're gonna go to Shinak Center. We're just gonna look for some stuff and then dadaan ulit kami dito sa Macau to pick up our order and then uwi na kami. It's our last night in Calgary for the year and yeah, tomorrow morning we're gonna fly out. So yeah, see you in a bit.
I don't know what this is. Is this a microphone?
Yeah.
Wow, so I can just plop that on and just talk. Look at it. Okay. So I just.
Is it on?
It's hard. Yeah, it's easy. All you gotta do is just put that down.
Okay.
Why is it so hard to
You don't have to. I know.
Why is it so hard to put it on? It's actually hard. I just fell down.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. I feel like ang daming.
We're just playing with the DJI.
We're just playing with the DJI and the mic. We're trying to, if modulated ba yung voice mo or normal yung voice.
Ayo, what were you saying?
No, sabi ko, ang ng chan ko. Ang
Still
bloated
no.
ng chan ko. Ha? Come on. Pen? Pen? Saan ka?
Washroom.
Okay, sige, dun mag...
But you have the mic.
Okay. Ano sasabihin ko? Ito ba yung Remoa?
Letomi.
Letomi. Ganda nito ah. Ang ganda nito ah. Okay, eto. Nanonood kami ngayon ng Nanonood kami ng... Hindi ko alam kung anong pinapanood namin. Inside Out 2.
Okay, here.
Ano? Bakit?
I'm just trying.
So...
This is cat setup. Like, I know.
Dito kami nag-work if andito kami. Well, last time, no nag-work from home kami doon. Pero may mga other setup doon. So, dito kami. Workstation to ng daddy ni Kim. And then, pag andito kami, parang nagtitake over kami sa ano niya. So, yeah, dito. And, what else? Yun lang.
Okay, let's watch it.
Hi. Okay. What?
Are you feeling better na?
Are you feeling better?
A little bit. Konti. Say konti.
Content.
Ito, may-ari ng workstation.
DJ.
We have Mr. Puffs. I don't know what that is. What is Mr. Puffs?
What is it?
Donuts?
Yeah.
Well, that's it for my interview. Yeah.
Is
Bye.
that it for your interview?
Yeah.
Okay, we are trying. Hey, wait lang, sorry. Ito, Mr. Puffs ang tawag. Care of, Pia. Ay, actually, oo. Si Pia nagbigay nito. And then, may mga free silang ganito, guys. So, tingnan nyo. Anong flavor nito?
Hazelnut biscotti, and then sugar cinnamon.
Lish. Tingnan natin, masarap. Sabi niya kanina, lang daw, konti lang daw yung pinakonti lang nito, pero mukhang marami pa rin naman. Pero try natin kung masarap pa. Toppings lang to, di ba? Mm.
5 hours later.
Right, we just arrived home like siguro mga 10 minutes ago, and now we're on to our pre-New Year's things that we have to do since I work tomorrow twice. Tapos, yeah. So we're just fixing everything. We're hanging this up because we're getting rid of that table because we already have this table. We got this table because that one we weren't really using. We were just using for storage. And then whenever we're eating, we can't really eat there. Or whenever we want to have like a sit-down dinner, we can't eat there. So now we just have this one. And yeah, so we're home. And now we're using the DJI. It's just really cool. We're not trying to flex or anything. Just saying that we're very excited about this.
Does that look like it's...
Level? Oh. Okay, wait lang. Tutulungan ka muna si Katrina dun.
So right now, medyo nagutom kami kasi maaga yung flight
Why is
namin.
it pointing up?
Oh, okay. I don't know. Wait, hold on. Sorry. Wait.
Hi. Oh, that's so cool.
What about?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, good. Sorry. So, maaga yung flight namin kanina from Calgary to Vancouver. So, ngayon, nag-ayos lang kami ng konti sa bahay and 12 na sabi namin na medyo nagutom kami. And now, kakain kami. Hi! Oh, that's so cool.
So we just got this DJI. Well, we didn't get it.
It was a gift.
It was a gift by Mama Chato and maybe my mom too. Who knows?
Mama Chato and the family.
Mama Chato and the family. So yeah, it's super cool. It's gonna be put to a lot of use because we're gonna be going on lots of adventures and like just our videos and memories will be better. Yeah, it's nice. So right now we're just gonna go eat because
Can you ano muna? Well,
1 second. Okay.
nakakapanibago.
Yeah, and the DJI is so cool because it's so small. It's like this big only, and
That's the entire thing na though. Like, yung buong
Yeah,
palm
like
ng ano mo. Yun
this
na
lang.
yun.
Pero may ano din siya, may extension. We'll show you later. But yeah, we're just having lunch right now. We're gonna go get ramen. We came from like a really sunny Calgary to a very rainy Vancouver. And yeah, it's the 29th today. But
I have work tomorrow.
we both have work tomorrow and on Tuesday.
Yeah.
And then we're off on Wednesday and then work again. So it's non-stop now from here because we don't have a lot of time left before my family and I go on vacation, and then Kat's gonna be home.
Yeah. Gonna be home for the most of February.
Yeah. But anyways, we gotta go have some ramen and probably get gas too, cause it's it's on empty.
Yeah.
And then
Hindi na ako nag-gas.
Hindi ka nag-gas. That's okay. Saan ba punta?
No, hinatid kita.
Ah.
But that's it.
Okay, well, we'll see you at the ramen place.
We're here sa... Ay, hindi pala yan.
zoom in.
Okay. Okay, we're here sa Maruhachi Ramen. Pasok tayo, guys.
Okay, so we are here. We're at the smaller tables. But this is the restaurant. It's called Maruhashi. And then the menu is here. Let me see. Okay, here's the menu. There. This is what I got. The tamago ramen, and Kat got the chashu tamago ramen. Okay, we'll wait for our food now. Alright, the first order has arrived. This is the dashimaki, which is just egg. It's like tamago. Here is my order. Next order is just January 4th. Okay, gonna eat now.
Natapos na kami kumain, guys. And ang daming... May sobra kanina sa kinain ko. So, kailangan namin itugo. Akala ko makakaya ko siyang ubusin. Pero, masyadong heavy yung ano niya. Pero masarap naman. Masarap. Meron silang mga ano dito. Mommy. Ano to? Sesame and chili flakes. Really good. And then they have tea, free tea. Nag-aantay na lang kami today for the ano. I mean, nag-aantay na lang kami right now for the bill. Okay. Masyadong maulan ngayon sa Vancouver. I mean, as usual, maulan naman talaga dito kasi pag tungtong na mga September, October, tuloy-tuloy na hanggang winter, rainy talaga ang Vancouver. Ayan, oh, if makikita nyo. Sobrang madilim. Madilim dito and maulan. And ewan ko kung saan na kami pupunta ngayon. Siguro tatapusin lang talaga namin yung mga kailangan namin tapusin sa bahay kasi yun nga, yun nabanggit ni Kim na may work siya tomorrow and mag-work din siya sa second na job niya tomorrow, so hanggang gabi. And then sa 31 sa Tuesday, wala din kaming time kasi may dinner. Oo, may dinner kami kasama yung ka-work ni Kim. So, uuwi lang kami gabi na din and then mag-aantay for the New Year. So, I think ngayon na lang talaga yung time namin na ng errands kasi wala nang parang dire-diretso na, right?
Truly.
Yeah. This is so handy. Nakakapanibago talaga yung naghahawa kami ng Osmo. I mean, cute siya, pero nakakapanibago na ang liit ng screen, pero so much yung nakikita. Like, ang daming nakikita. Yung parang malaking screen talaga. Parang normal screen. I love it. Do you like it?
I love it so much.
Oh, thank you so much, Mama Chat and
Mommy. Daddy?
question mark pa ang mommy and daddy because sa pilitan daw to. But yes, thank you. Hey guys, later na. So, we ended up dito sa TNT kasi sorry. We ended up dito sa TNT kasi may hahanapin na lang kami, may titignan kami na siguro fruits din, no?
Yeah.
Siguro fruits din and then kung ano mga pwede naming ihanda.
Pockets.
Ha?
Packs.
Oh, nice!
Can we buy one?
Yeah, for your mom, I think. Gusto niya
I
yan.
need to fix the washroom.
Okay. Yeah, ikot-ikot lang muna kami. So, andito kami ngayon naghanap ng prutas, guys. So, we got, kumuha na kami ng orange. Ito. And then, yung available nila, siguro, ito lang na apples. Yung NV apple. 188. Naghahanap ako ng grapes. Pero wala akong mahanap. Meron green na grapes. There. Pero wala akong mahanap na purple na grapes. So, let's see. Let's see. Ayan. Ito lang siya. Seedless green grapes. Yun na lang ba?
Yeah.
Hindi namin nakita na Yeah, that's 3. Hindi namin nakita na may iba pa palang apple dito on this side. So, kumuha kami ng apples from here. Meron din apples dun sa kabila. Pero ito yung nagustuhan namin. Merong Fuji. Ay, ito na lang. May Fuji and then merong ambrosia. Ito yung usually nakikita sa Costco. And then meron din sila nito. But we like this one. So, may green apples din. Yeah. Natapos na kami dun, guys. So, mga binili lang namin sa TNT. Mainly, purely fruits lang talaga. Kasi, yung for New Year's and then yung ibang bibilhin namin like yung milk, sorry maulan, like yung milk doon na sa superstore. Nasa pala to, TNT na Woolridge dito sa Coquitlam. Yeah. Bago tong TNT na yan and then malaki din and super convenient kasi malapit lang din siya sa IKEA. So usually if pumupunta kami dito sa IKEA, dumadaan na lang din kami ng TNT kasi for ano tawag nito? mga groceries or something like that, you know. And then yung total na bayaran namin, guys, kanina, ano,
How much?
teka nga, wait, kita ba? 59 5903. So yung kasama nun, ano, yung tikoy, yung navel oranges, sorry, hindi ko alam, pero ano siya, yung navel oranges, yung honey mandarin, super ano talaga sa amin yun, mabenta sa amin yun ni Kim kasi masarap siya and very easy lang siya kainin. So kung nanonood kami ng movie or snacks, yung honey mandarin yung lagi namin na ano, like na and then may Korean na persimmon din kaming binili. And then, may grapes na green. And then, yung seedless na watermelon. And Fuji apple. So, all in all, $59.03 yung nabayaran namin. So, sabi nila walang taxes ngayon, di ba?
Is there no tax?
Walang tax, yeah. So, walang tax. Nag-freeze ang tax ngayon. So, yun lang binayaran namin.
Crazy.
Imagine, no, kung may tax yun. Double yung tax dito sa BC. May PST and GST. So, that's...
No, but sa food wala naman tax.
I mean, sa food, yeah, wala naman. But, you know, besides, other than sa food, di
Oh
ba?
my god, the muscat grapes is $22.
Yun yung
That's
napamahal.
why. Oh my god. Why was it so expensive?
Yan yung
Jeez.
napamahal.
Okay, now we're gonna go to Superstore. We're gonna get the rest of our groceries, which is just the milk and everything we use on the daily.
Milk and rice, I think. Nasa linya ka, ha? Okay,
Oh, yeah.
milk and rice.
Yeah, just the milk and rice.
Um,
That is all.
naubos na kasi din yung rice namin. So, ano na lang. Bili na lang kami ng kaunti. And then, uwi na kami. Right?
Yeah.
Pero, yes. Grabe ang ulan. Maulan, sobra. Ayan na. Yeah, super dahan-dahan lang tayo. Kasi maulan. Saan tayo na superstore?
Grandview.
Ay, Grandview. Nasa superstore na tayo. Hanap muna tayo ng milk. Milk nasa natural food section. And hanap tayo ng soy milk for our coffee. Okay, these are our soy yung last natin eh. These are our selections. May soy and oats sila. Ito, gustong-gusto namin to ni Kim. Ay, actually, ito pala. Wala. Wala na silang chocolate na ganito, pero lagi kami may ganito. And then, ito yung ginagamit namin for coffee. Pero may milk din kami na ginagamit for, yes, for vitamins, yes. That one. So we tried this one, pero hindi namin masyadong bet. So we use the barista one for the coffee, and then Natura for vitamins. Okay, let's look for rice. Maliit lang siguro. Half. Brown yan?
And then white.
Yeah. Wala. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko abot. Hindi ko abot. So, si Kim na lang. So, isang half na brown and half na white. Hindi naman kami masyado laging nagluluto sa bahay. If nagluluto man kami, may natitira pa for the next day. Kasi kami lang naman kumakain. So, we just make sure na walang extra or walang anything. Kasi wala din kami mapagsustoran. Fine. Okay, wait. Kukuha ako ng
Oh, you are so sweet.
So, kuha lang tayo ng ganito siguro for bahay.
Yung ba
Not
yung
sure ba ito?
meron sila daddy? Nasarap yun sa kanila.
Ano yun?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Yung KFC ba yun? UFC? 11% sugar ata yun eh. This one is only 9%. Okay.
Let's go to the, house stuff.
Okay. You need help?
No, it's okay.
I'll carry those. Okay. Okay, so nakapunta kami kanina ng ano. After namin mag superstore, umuwi na kami. And then, yun
Yeah.
lang.
So now we're home and we're just gonna watch TV for the rest of the night because we are working tomorrow. And yeah, so that is it for today's vlog. It's kind of long because we were playing around with the DJI for a little bit, so it's like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So if you got to this point of the video, thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you for watching.
Thank
Because
you.
usually our videos are like 12 minutes and now it's 30, so it's double. But anyways, good night and thanks so much.